Hi friends, how are you? I bet you're smiling and having a wonderful time. It's always so much fun when we get to play with our favorite toys, watch our favorite shows, or eat our favorite candy. Who doesn't love doing that? But, but, have you ever thought that while we have so much fun, do our parents also get time to enjoy themselves? Hmm. You see, our parents work so hard and do so many things all the time. They work, clean, cook, help us with our homework, and do just so many other tasks. No wonder they are sometimes not happy because there are just so many things to do. I guess it's not easy being a parent, but we love our parents just like they love us. And if you, my friend, want to help your parents and make them happy, then here are three super easy things that you can do. Tip number one, tidy up your room. We should always organize our toys and make our bed. We should never leave things lying on the floor and always throw garbage in the trash can. It's very simple and your parents will love it. Just do this and see the size of the smile on their face. Tip number two, hang towels in the drying area. This is one of the best habits to develop. Whether you're a girl or a boy, your parents will thank you each time you do this. And now, here is a super smart tip. If the drying line to hang your wet towel is too high, then just politely ask your parents to put a new line so that you can easily reach it. They will happily do it for you. Tip number three, grocery shopping. Yes, you heard it right. You can sit with your parents and tell them about things you need and about all the healthy food you like to eat. You can talk about your choice of fruits and vegetables. This way, we can also learn about healthy and unhealthy choices, which is very important. But the most important thing is that your parents can then buy things that you love, and this will save them lots of time, which will make them so very happy. And that's all, my friends. Try these three tips today and keep smiling. Stay tuned for the next video. Adios.